Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're replacing the low beam light bulb and the corner marker on this 2016 Nissan Altima. This should be the same, if not very similar, for a lot of years, mainly the 07 to 2020 and also other models such as the Maxima. We need to remove this inside fender cover right here to be able to gain access to the light bulb. So you need to remove all these little plastic clips right here and more right here, and there's some on the very top of the inside of the fender well as well. There will be some screws down below on the bottom side of the front bumper, and I'll show you that in just a moment. When you remove these plastic clips, they break a lot, so take that in consideration, and hopefully you're watching this video before or when you have some time to be able to order stuff. So make sure you order the plastic clips and the proper tools to get the job done. It makes it much easier for you, and if you break the clips, you can have them right there on hand. Just put new ones on. You won't even have to worry about it. You can see I have this little tool. I thought it would work good for this, but it didn't work the way I thought it would. It got the job done, but it wasn't as easy as I thought, or maybe I just expected more out of the tool. There will be links in the description below to buy the correct tools to get this job done though. And you can see there is new brake pads and rotors on this vehicle. There's also videos on how to do the brakes on this vehicle. There'll be shocks and some other stuff. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Check out my video library for other stuff that might help you out. And tell everybody about me, please. Make sure you get all these little plastic clips out. All you really need to do is get enough to where you could get some wiggle room on this fender panel. You should remove it all the way. You could take the panel completely off, and that would make the job a little bit easier for you. But this is really just to show you what you need to do to be able to gain access to the light. Here's those 3 screws on the bottom of that front bumper. These were Phillips head screwdrivers in my case. Make sure those get removed too, or you won't be able to move this easily. Again, all you need to do is slide this over so you could peel the outer part of it where it meets the car or the outside of the car. Peel that down and you could reach your hand right in. You can see right here. Just be careful when you're pushing it back. You don't want to ruin the paint on the fender at all. You might want to put tape on the paint if you're really uncomfortable, but some blue tape might do some good right here. You could see I pulled it back just enough, or I pulled it back just enough to be able to reach my hand up in there. Again, if you had more time, you could remove that whole plastic panel and reach right up in there, and it might make it, or would make it a lot easier for you. So what I'm going to do is reach my hand right up inside the little access hole. If I could get you a good view. That's really the hardest part of making these videos, is making sure that you have a good shot. But you could see here, you stick your hand right up into the fender. I have it pushed back, that plastic piece pushed back enough to where it's not hitting my arm or the car. Disconnect your connection or the pigtail from the light. Again, this is a H11 light bulb. You could upgrade to LED or HID. I prefer the LED around a 4300K, no more than a 5500K. When you start going up that high, you start gaining in color but losing in light. But remove your pigtail first, push in on the lower part of the clip, the little lock, and pull directly down. After you do that, you're going to twist the light bulb in a counterclockwise direction and then pull towards you, and the light bulb should come out fairly easy. If yours was bad, this would be the perfect time to pull it out of the fender well right there and replace it. Again, this is just so we know how to replace it, or my friend could replace it on her own when it does go bad. So here's your light bulb. This one is good. It's going to go right back in. You're going to turn it a little counterclockwise, just like it was when you removed it, to put it in. Here we go, eventually. So a little counterclockwise, push it into the hole, and then turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Sometime. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, and share while you're watching my videos. Please tell everybody about me. and I might have other videos that might help you out in my video library. Now that we turned the light bulb in a counterclockwise fashion and plugged the pigtail in, if we needed to replace the corner marker light, we would turn the corner marker light to remove it. I believe it was turning in a counterclockwise direction to remove it and a clockwise direction to install it. This light bulb right here is a 168 light bulb, and there will be links in the description below to purchase these light bulbs as well. They're fairly cheap. I always buy my light bulbs or extra ones when I get a vehicle and throw them in the glove box, so I have them when they're ready and needed to be replaced. This one gave me a little bit of trouble just in the position it was at. Thank God to editing, we sped this up, but it probably took me a good 2 or 3 minutes to get it in there. Not that funny, but hey, thank God this is a video. That's all you really have. Make sure you reinstall all your plastic clips. If you have new ones, install the new ones right now. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that this helped you on. And make sure you tell everybody about me. Like, subscribe, share. Check out the podcast on Spotify. That's Scotty's Auto Talk. Check out the Facebook and the webpage. I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for watching.